Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set the wallpaper on your Motorola device. So at the start I will show you the two ways for it. The first one is by the settings, then go to the display, go to the wallpaper, and now just choose that you want to change the wallpaper for the lock screen or home screen. Now tap on the change wallpaper, choose one of them, and click accept icon. Decide again. You can also set it for the lock and home screen on the both displays. And how you can see, there we have a new wallpaper. And the second method, just hold the finger on the empty place on the home screen, choose Wallpapers, and do it the same. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.